am hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we have a banger daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. All right, you guys, what is up? What is up? What is up? What up, Ski? Let's get into it. Let's get into it, y'all. All right, my chat for whatever reason is not working, man. So we got Outerin. Cool. Muse. Yo, Ski. Oh, let me fix my headphones. It says, yo, Ski, what up? How are you, brother? I'm doing well. I've enjoyed the time off. Hanging out with the fam. Little reset. A start over of grand magnitude for your boy Ski. A great reset. What up, Ski? Doge should definitely hit $1, right? I think so. Nothing in life is definite. Nothing in life is certain. However, there are some high probabilities, and I would give Dogecoin hitting $1 a very high probability. Casper is popping today. Let's go. XTC. Let's get it, y'all. All right. Let's get in it. All right, so we got Crow. All right, let me get these in order. Nunez. Algo. Muse. XTZ. Crow. Mover. Going to the moon. Jasmine. What is up, y'all? Run it up. How about Mana Coin? Let's go, Sauce. Mana. Metas. Iota. RND. Whoops. RDNT. Findora. Did I write down Findora? What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. And thanks for hanging out with me. XYO, I got you, Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. So right now, let's just do a quick little overview on what's going on in the charts. We are heading into the new moon. The new moon is on November. Bro, what happened to the 25-3 retest? It never happened, bro. This was it right here. Should I keep 7.07 Bitcoin or get one whole Ethereum? About 2K. Ooh, it depends on what your goals are. DXY looking bullish. Is it? Let's take a look. I don't know, bro. On what time frame? Because right now we're breaking through. Poking through this little bit of on the daily. I don't know. I mean, we could definitely find support here, and this could definitely easily print a W. Either way, we are, or we could break to the downside and head down here to 99.3. Either way, we are at a huge level in cryptocurrency, in the stock market. The DXY, which measures the strength of the US dollar, we're at a massive level, and something is going to break at some point. Kel, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
So Bitcoin still going to 35 to 50K? I still think so. Now, I will say this. Hold on. I still believe we're going to pop in here very quickly up to 35K at a minimum. However, that being said, whatever happens between now and 5 days after the new moon, which the new moon is on Wednesday. So I'm going to give it up to 5 days after the new moon. If it has not happened by then, this retracement is over. Because technically, like, we haven't even got to the 382. So we're going to get at least up here to the 35K, in my opinion. But if it only gets to 35K, that's pretty weak. So I'm open-minded as to what can happen. But I think that the move, like these little lightning moves right here to the downside, is the same thing. It's gonna be in a flash, a couple of days, and we're gonna be up here. But whatever happens between now and then, we got basically like a week left. We got like basically a week and a day left. The move, in my opinion, is between now and a week and a day. Before then, whatever happens between now and then, I'm taking profits regardless. If we get all the way up here, great. If we're down here, okay. Like, I'm taking my 30% off the table. Okay? Either way we go. Like, that is how I'm playing it. That has been my thesis from the beginning. We're at a big level. We're at a big level of resistance right now with Bitcoin. We're at a huge level of support with the DXY, which measures the strength of the US dollar. Ethereum poking through a ton of resistance here. We're at the top of the range. So big levels. And we're seeing it. Like Ergo was up 30% the other day. We're seeing these altcoins start to fly off the handles here. Like Casper up 15%. Let's see on the weekly. Like, what is up? Radax up 62% on the week, 58%, 56%, FTX up 53%, Arbitrum up 40%, 38% for Casper on the week. This is what I was telling you guys. Towards the end of this move right here, towards the end of this move for Bitcoin, we're going to start to see the altcoins fly off the handle. And that's what we're starting to see. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I think we're starting to get to the finality of this move. Can you explain how to take profits in the bear market and the bull market? They're basically the same, man. You can either put it into what I believe the ultimate. Could you look at CWS? I got you. My wife's boyfriend says hi. Tell him I said hello. So you could either put it into what I believe to be the ultimate stable coin, which is Bitcoin. Eventually, slowly but surely and exponentially, more and more of the inflation will be caught by Bitcoin, or you could trade it into USDT or USDC, either or. So when you say sell in May, you mean the first? Yes. Listen, my thesis, my strategy, I am not trying to catch the tippity. Like, let's say this level right here was the absolute top, right? I don't need to catch the tippity dippity top. I am perfectly okay selling right here. So in my thesis, it's always been, it's way better to be a day early and $1 short than it is to wait for the day that never comes and then you don't take any profit. I will tell you guys when I'm taking profit. Okay, I have my limit on XRP. My XRP is ready to go. It is what I'm willing to play with for XRP. It is on the exchange with limit orders. So yeah, I think we're getting to the finality. Algo is on the list. I got you. I think we're getting to the finality of this retracement, especially heading into the new moon. We're technically in the new moon energy right now. we're technically into the new moon energy now. We got about 10 days to be in this sort of window of energy, and I think the move is going to happen sometime between now and then. Like, stuff is going to break. Like, you can literally see, like, either the DXY is going to break to the downside, silver is breaking out at this moment, gold, same thing, gold is fighting this level. Like, everything all at once, all together, are fighting either support or resistance all at once. Thoughts on the DXY and the double bottom? Well, it would be a triple. It would actually kind of be a triple bottom here. I'm more biased towards it breaking to the downside. It has a lot of support here. But if we like, what could happen with the DXY is we could easily find support here, right? Range to the top side. If we get rejected here, that's really weak, and we'd likely come back down to the 99 range. But yeah, like, I think the narrative, everyone thinks that the US dollar is going to collapse, and I agree. I literally agree with that narrative that eventually, slowly, surely, exponentially, the US dollar, the yen, the euro, the won, every single fiat in history will all collapse. However, I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. I think it's going to happen probably, it'll be very noticeable by the next Shemitah, which is in 2029. Me too, biased towards the downside, yeah. Because they've already turned the money printer back on. They haven't made everyone aware that they've turned the money printer back on, but they've literally already turned the money printer back on. They haven't officially done it by, says the planets are lining up. You think XRP can go to $20? It's possible, but my price target is 11. 8 to 11 is my higher end. What do you think its break is, XRP? What do you mean? What do I mean the break is? All right, let's get some of these coins. Just keep dropping your guys' questions, your thoughts, all of that. I actually prefer to, like, answer the questions. Like, it's more entertaining than me just, like, saying a bunch of numbers. But as the DXY is correlated to Bitcoin, if the DXY moves up, surely Bitcoin will test lower levels. That's 100% correct, which is again why I think this is probably going to find support here, because I think that the Bitcoin move is at its finality within the next 10 days. So it's probably actually going to find support here, and we're probably going to range. So with my thesis on Bitcoin, right? Sell in May, walk away, coming back down to the spring in October, before then going off and away, right? If the DXY were to align with that, we're going to stall out here, trade sideways for the next 10 days or whatever, find support into probably maybe even go a little bit higher into September, October, and then start to roll back over into the 2024. Like, that is pretty much what it would look like in order for this to hold true, because it does. It trades inversely to Bitcoin. Do you like ICP? I do like ICP. Cheers, bro. Cheers, Jack. Ski, my girlfriend's boyfriend said it might keep going up till mid-June and then dump. It's possible, but typically crypto and stocks are really boring in the summer months. Are you not going live from May to October? No, I'm definitely going live. I'll be live. I ain't going anywhere. Waters Above crypto decoder is really good. Yeah, no, I like Waters Above. I don't, you don't have to agree with everything that someone says, but I think he has a lot of certainly good information, especially like his decoding abilities. Like with Gematria, he's on a different level as far as that goes, for sure. But I believe in the like I'm really into the periodic table and connecting those type of numbers. But yeah, you know, he's definitely on a different level as far as actually decoding than I am. Slow time is the best strategy to making money. Would love to see the lives. Yeah, like, no, I'll be here. I'll be here, dollar cost averaging. ETH, I got you. Do XRP 1D chart. Good time for a short. That's who was saying what? Should I buy Shiba Inu? I don't hold any Shiba. About the run up to June? It's possible. It's possible, but my thesis has been sell in May, walk away. If it's like I'm cool with missing the top end of the range. I'm cool with missing like the tippity top, because my thing is like I accumulated most of my crypto in here. Damn it, I hate it when I do this. I accumulated most of my crypto in here. So like I'm already way up, even on just on Bitcoin, which isn't even like the, you know, the best mover. I'm up a 1x almost. XLM, I got you, bro. But no, like I like Waters Above. I think he's got a lot of good information. He's definitely on a different level of decoding than me, for sure. Like his ability to sort of figure out the language of the numbers and the numbers and the language, connecting the numbers back to dates and stuff. Like he's definitely on a different level. I have an understanding of that stuff, but he's on a different level. How's the fasting going? You know, I'm gonna be honest, guys. I accidentally broke my fast, so I'm starting over today. I drank some coffee and it had like some calories in it, and I didn't even know. So I broke my fast yesterday. I'm gonna restart this evening. When you say 8 to 11 for XRP, are you talking about the bull run after the lawsuit? Most likely the bull run. It's the last week of Ramadan. Singularity DAO. Yeah, no, I accidentally broke my fast. I didn't mean to. But I did the full 5 days. And that was great. That was great. I lost like over 10 pounds. But when I started the 10-day fast, I accidentally broke it. So I'm going to continue fasting a little bit beyond Ramadan. Because I drank some coffee yesterday, and it had some stuff in it that I wasn't aware about. But it's all good, you know. All right, let's get into some of these coins. That's sort of my thesis on the market. So yeah. So Patriot, like the stipulation for XRP to break out is. No one spiked my coffee. I was just ignorant. So I got like some coffee from a gas station, and it had like, I just assumed that it was black coffee when I put like maybe some stevia in it, and then I looked at it and it had the calories on it, and it was like 50 calories. I'm like, what the hell? It's your boy Ski. 5 days, no calories. That's right, I did that. You gonna take a short on Bitcoin at 32.6? I'm not shorting until after May. Says, I love your lives. Thank you. IMX GRT. I got you. All right, let's get some of these coins. We got Nunet, Algo, Moose, XTZ, Crow, Mover. Those are on there, and you guys can just keep spamming your questions. E Gold, and we'll crank through these Dogecoin.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
All right, so let's get some of these coins. Keep putting your questions in the comments. We got a lot of people up in here. I feel like the Sunday, the first day of the week, the Sundays are like always one of the most hype live streams. It's the first day of the week, y'all. Set your intentions. Why do I always do this? Whatever. So yeah, this isn't gonna be enough. This isn't enough trading data for this one. I mean, I can do like a. This isn't enough. I'll do it, but realistically, this is. I have a real estate question. What is it? Tesla. Baby Doge. Yo, bro, happy to see your channel growing. Thanks, bro. I appreciate you. You're the dog, my friend. If you had $2,000 to invest, what cryptos would you invest in what percentage? I would split them up over my top 5. 20% into each. Gala is $1 to $3. I've done Gala so many times, but we'll do it again. All right, so this coin right here, Nunet, it's not really enough data, but we'll do 1618 is 15 cents, and the 2618 max parabolic would be 29. It could easily go higher. Like I said, there's not really enough data. Out of the night, what is up, bro? The lives are so much better when the real GOAT is here. Thoughts on Cosmos? Cosmos is solid, bro. I bought a house for $365,000 with closing fee, including its appraised for $365,000. Equity deal or no? There's a lot of things that go into that. Like, what kind of house is it? Is it a single family? Is it a multifamily? Like, what is is it, where's the location? What is the crime rate in the city? What is your intention to do? Like, do you plan to just keep it for your personal use? Is it a rental property? Do you want an Airbnb? Like, there's a lot of factors that go into that. Coming in hot. Hey, bro, how about ADA? Single family, no repair needed. Military city in California. So it's probably in San Diego. I don't know about purchasing property in California, man. Thank you for the guitar, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
It's always good to have a rental property in a military town because you're always going to have people. Thank you for the pizza, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
hbar 41 cents to $2. So it's always good for that. However, like, I don't know, man, like renting in a blue state, being a landlord in a blue state, I don't want to be political or whatever, but it's just, they're not landlord friendly. And you could really run into some trouble on the back end because of that. Casper, if the Fed don't raise interest rates next month, do you expect Bitcoin to finally break 30K, you savage? So I think we're at the finality of this move right now. I think whatever is going to happen to Bitcoin is going to happen in the next 10 days. Cardano, please, mate. Out of the Night just said Cardano. It is $1.91 is the retracement, and the parabolic level is $8.88. Yeah, dang right about that. Adam, $32 as high as 144. Casper, 17 as high as 88. Dude, Out of the Night coming in clutch. Can you do ARB, ARB, and Gala? Gala is $1 to $3. All right, let's look at Algo. So next is Algo, Moose, XTC, Z, Crow, Mover, Jasmine, Mana. Have we seen the bottom? In my opinion, the bottom was November. I think it is possible for us to double bottom, and my mustache is going to be in jeopardy in October and November. I'll go $1.88 as high as $8.88. However, I think we're probably going to go back down to 20K in November. But if we were going to double bottom and maybe wick a little bit lower, it would be in November. Converted all my XRP into AMP. I'm scared. I'm scared for you, bro. Jasmine, 13 cents as high as 66 cents. Shout out to Out of the Night, the true savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
ICP. But yeah, no, I think the bottom was, I have video evidence where I thought my thesis has been that November was the bottom, and not only that, but my thesis was that was the bottom months and months and months in advance. XLM, months and months in advance, for many reasons. So first of all, the first reason that I thought that the bottom was in November was because of the sabbatical year, the 7th year. Every 7 years we have some crazy events happens. If you don't know, the Jewish community is in charge of the financial sector, and they celebrate a thing called a Shemitah. The Shemitah is the 7th year, the sabbatical year. Every 7 years, some crazy stuff happens. So, 94, I think it was 86. When was Black Monday? Hold on. '87 in October. Look at that. October of '87 was Black Monday. And then you had 94. That was a Shemitah. Then you had 2001. The dot-com bubble busted and 9/11 happened. That was a Shemitah. 2008 was a Shemitah. The real estate crash. 2015, the Chinese stock market crash. That was a Shemitah. And we had another Shemitah in 2022. We had the war in Ukraine. We had the FTX collapse. We had the Luna collapse. All of that happened on the sabbatical year, and it rolls into October because Rosh Hashanah is the first day of the Hebrew year. Okay. And we're actually in the 7/7, and we're now practicing. I don't know if that's the word, but we're in the Jubilee year right now, which is the 7/7. The year after that is the Jubilee, like the 50th year, the 49th year. The last time that this happened, Richard Nixon took the US dollar off the gold standard in 1971. And my thesis was way back here, I was making videos that I thought that November was going to be the bottom, because typically it is October, November eclipses on these sabbatical years that the climactic event happens. And I didn't know that it was going to be FTX or whatever. I didn't know about that. I just knew that something was going to happen, and it was literally on the day, bro. On the day. Like you can't script it any better. You can't make it up any better. In fact, they own the majority of the companies. That's right. Like BlackRock literally owns everything. So that was my thesis way back here. That was my thesis. I was making video evidence about this that I thought that this was the bottom. We haven't came anywhere close, especially on like Ethereum. Really, most of the major coins bottomed in June. Ethereum bottomed in June, like nowhere close. XRP bottomed in June, nowhere close. BNB bottomed in June, nowhere close. I think Flux, did it bottom in June? Yeah, Flux bottomed in June. Quant bottomed in June, nowhere close. So most of the major coins actually bottomed in June. Litecoin bottomed in June, nowhere close. So like the actual technical bottom, in my opinion, was June. Bitcoin bottomed in November, and that was the climactic event of the event. All right, so let me read some out of the night's coins that he's dropped here for the chat. So we got Casper, 17 cents to 88 cents. Dove, 48 cents to $2.40. Algo, $1.86 to 86 cents, or $8.88. XLM, 65 cents as high as Pi, 3.14. XRP, $1.27 as high as 11 cents. XDC, 14 cents as high as 64 cents. E-Gold, $380 as high as $1,800. ACH, 6.9 cents as high as 32 cents. Gala, 59 cents as high as $2.97. Any thoughts on Ocean? IMEX, $2.80 as high as $12.80. Lee says it's biblical. It is in fact, like, we're in the Matrix. That's why I say, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. Why do I say that? Because it's all code. It's all part of the script. Like, even if you don't believe, like, just even biblically, if you, like, interpret it loosely, right? We come here, this isn't real. You're judged on how you perform here, and then you go to the real thing. Well, what is this? This is a video game. This is the Matrix. Sand. How much will you leave in your bags after May? I'm only going to sell about 30% in May on the bigger coins like Bitcoin. The smaller coins up to 50% if I hit it correctly. Ocean, $7.15 as high as $37. So yeah, it is in fact biblical. It's part of the script. Like, just enjoy the show. Like, it's not to be feared. It's not to be like freaked out by. It's not to be like, you can't, I'm gonna like get angry and upset because this is happening and these people are corrupt. It's like, bro, just enjoy the show. What levels will you take profit on hbar? I took some profit already on hbar at 8 cents, 8.8 cents, because I bought a lot of hbar in this range right in here at the 4 to 5 cent range. But the 382, 24 cents, the 0.5, 30 cents, the 702, 41 cents, as high as $2. But 88 cents as high as $2. I'll start heavily dollar cost averaging. Bentley, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
David says, you think there's going to be an accumulation phase over the summer months? Yes, it's going to be sideways, boring, and down. In my opinion, all summer is just going to be sideways, boring, and down. And then October, November, there's going to be, maybe even September actually, there's going to be an event. I don't know what it's going to be. I have no idea what it's going to be. I could sit here and theorize all day long, but at the end of the day, it's irrelevant as to what the actual event is. But something is going to happen, and it's going to cause the markets to move. My plan is to take my 30% that I've taken profit on and re-enter the market, in addition to just dollar cost averaging all the way down. All the way down. What sort of gains do you think are coming over the next 6 weeks? I think the rally is done in the next 2 weeks. And then beyond that, we're going to start, like, it's going to be noticeable that we're not in this bullish energy after that. So you think crypto in May will drop? Yeah, it's going to be sideways, grueling, and down all the way through all the summer months, in my opinion. But that's the best time to stack. That's the best time to stack your bags. When it's boring. So you have to do the opposite of what the herd is doing. Okay? When the herd is bored, you should get excited. When the herd is scared, you should get greedy. When the herd is greedy, you should become fearful. Amp, top point, please. You think the stock market will recover next year and we'll see a bull run? Jack, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Are you still expecting Bitcoin 35 to 50K? I still think so. In the next 10 days, I still think we're going to at least get to 35K. That being said, if it doesn't happen in the next 2 weeks, like, okay, the move's over. Yeah, my wife's boyfriend said it's going to 10 million this year. Amp, 2.7 cents as high as 12 cents. I just wanted to put my 2K in, but you saved the day. So how I would play that, dude, I would just take, of the 2K, I would take 10% or 5%. So $200 or $100 every week, and I would just enter in like that. Okay, and that's going to bring you all the way out into October, and you're going to have some really good prices. That's how I would take 2K at this stage in the market. I think we're getting near the finality of the move. Now, that being said, over the next 2 days or 2 weeks, you're going to see these altcoins flying off the radar. Like I said, like, these coins are up 69% on the week, bro. Like, do you know how long the stock market will take you to get 69% return? He says, I put a lot there. Please scroll. So we got Engine, $17 as high as $85. XRP, $127 to $11. Mana, $3.85 as high as $18.95. Matic, $1.36 as high as $8.88. Ocean, $7.15 as high as $37. And I think I got them. IMAX, $2.80 as high as $12.80. Let's go. Out of the night, the real savage. Thank you for all your hard work, brother. I appreciate you. These 2 to 3 months are like playing chess on max hard mode. In my opinion, bro, like, I don't know. I don't think it's really the time to be trading over after we get into like June and July and August. Like, I think it's just time to accumulate again. Accumulating. He says some penny stocks do 20 to 40% a day. Yeah. I'm waiting on the last pump. Can XRP hit $91? I mean, a decade from now. Sure. A decade from now. You know what I mean? A decade. I should put I should start putting the TikTok chat on my YouTube as well. Need to figure out how to do that. I'm making like slow incremental improvements. 1% better each and every day. That's my goal, guys. So we're trying to we're finally getting this thing into a good rhythm. So hopefully that continues. I had some good time off, but I'm going to be going hard. I posted a video on the Patreon today. I know a lot of you guys were asking about 91 cents. I mean, yeah, 91 cents is possible. 88 cents is where my limit order is, because anytime you get to like close to $1, there's going to be a huge sell wall there. So So yeah, I posted a video on Patreon today. I know a lot of you guys were asking like how, you know, my how-to videos on how to do charts and that stuff. So I'm going to start posting one video a week and basically creating a course on, you know, how to read charts, what I'm looking for, stuff like that. All that's on my Patreon. So I posted one video today, and I'm going to be at least doing one video a week. Do you trade Forex? I don't. Algorand is at the, if you scroll up in the chat, he's already put Algorand up. How high will ETH go? Do you think ETH will go below 1,000 this year? So in the bull run, 7,000 as high as 15,000 is my price target. But ETH below 1,000 this year. It's possible. I don't think it's likely though. I would give like 1,200 more likelihood. As far as like the pullback in October, November. It's possible though. We could double bottom for ETH. But I don't think we're ever gonna see. This could be the last 3-digit ETH right here. Back in June of last year. That could be the last 3-digit ETH we ever see again. So that's crazy. That's crazy to think about. That could be the last 3-digit ETH that we ever see again. And I think in 2024, it'll be the last $20,000 Bitcoin we ever see again. Are you using TradingView? Yes, I'm using TradingView. VET, I got you. Is there any coins that you guys have asked for that me or Out of the Night has not answered yet? What's your next analysis on Bitcoin? So basically, I think we're heading into the finality of this move. We're heading into the new moon energy. We're technically in the window of energy right now as we speak. VET is 20 cents, as high as 97 cents is the parabolic level, Jill. I didn't answer Muse. Okay, I got you. So yeah, we're heading into the new moon energy. The finality of this retracement is going to be in the next 10 days. I still believe 35,000 as high as 50,000. That being said, if it doesn't happen by the next 10 days, like, okay, the move's over. You know what I mean? But I still think that it's going to happen. Bro, I asked Metis and IOTA. I got you, bro. IOTA and Metis. TAMETIS. What? So Link, Shiba, ICP, Landshare, Quant, XRP. XRP's been posted like 7 times in the chat. Crypto Knight. All right. Let me check out IOTA and I'll do Metis. Metis, Muse, IOTA. METIS. ADA is up. Loda. If you just scroll up, ADA is already up in the chat. Yeah, it's possible. So then the new moon, which is the most bullish time. The new moon is the most bullish time. Is on Wednesday. So if I had to like pinpoint a day, I would say Wednesday. GHX Heart. All right. So Metis retracement, you're looking at $92. Max retracement is $124, and the parabolic level is $570. And then we got Muse, Iota. Casper's already been put in the chat if you just scroll up. I don't think there's enough data on this one, brother. Mr. Friday. How you get fired on your day off? We'll do it though. Retracement is $13. Max retracement for Muse is $17. And parabolic level is $72. Out of the Night is the GOAT. I need to figure out how to put my TikTok chat on my OBS so that YouTube can see that too. Near or E-Gold for a higher profit in your opinion? Probably near. So I'll do that before my next stream. Seems like Sundays are like the best streams. Start the week off right. Steve Jobs created Bitcoin. That's a good theory because I think the creator of Bitcoin is dead. I think whoever did it was from the UK, and I think that they're dead. ICP, $61 as high as $298. Do you feel the market will bear soon? Maybe late Q3? Yes, that is my thesis. In fact, I think we are at the finality of this move right now. I think we have like maybe... Oh, my camera is screwing up. I'll fix that. I'll fix that in just a second. But yeah, I think we're at the finality of this move. The next 2 weeks or before, this bullish energy, it's going to be noticeable by the time June hits that we're not in bullish energy anymore. Let me fix my camera real quick, guys. Yeah, so I think it's going to be really noticeable. We already retraced and parabolic. Dude, shout out to Out of the Night. A true savage. Actually, I just work for Out of the Night, guys. He's actually the real creator of Bitcoin. Says the creator's 100% dead. His wallet hasn't moved for you. Yeah, no, literally like billions of dollars has not moved. No way. Sell in May. Walk away. Near $14 as high as $67. So Sologenic. XRP has been posted like 7 times. Just scroll up in the chat. Out of the Night has all of the previous live streams of my TA. So just scroll up. He's posted it, but realistically, like $3 to $11. All right, IOTA. I almost got distracted. Automatic rally 44 cents. Retracement is $1.39, and the parabolic is, max retracement is $1.90, and the parabolic is $9.16. I don't know if Never Was is still in the chat. I think that's the mod. I think he's the mod on Discord. But I'm going to do... somebody asked me in Discord, where can I purchase XRP? You can purchase XRP on Uphold. You can use your Ledger. You can do KuCoin. You can do Trust Wallet. You can do BingX. XRP is the winner. If there's a start over of grand magnitude.
Because Ripple's the chosen one to lead the new global digital payment
XRP
system,
is
and
the
they
winner.
use XRP. In 2013, the Federal Reserve began looking for faster payments options. 2 years later, an action plan was born and a federal payments task force was created. It included one company focused on crypto, Ripple. In
XTC,
2014,
I
the
got you.
World Bank and Better Than Cash Alliance, which includes the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Clinton Global Initiative, and the governments of 32 countries, put out a report called The Opportunities of Digitizing Payments. 1 year later, the Better Than Cash Alliance featured one crypto company on their website, Ripple. Today, Better Than Cash Alliance and all other UN initiatives are focused on a single agenda, the Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. You can see the SDGs logo on Bill Gates' lapel, world-leading companies, the Better Than Cash Alliance website, and on the UN's official exchange, Exchange. What crypto is Exchange officially utilizing for their carbon credit solution? XRP. The world will move to a new international standard for exchanging electronic messages between financial institutions by 2025 called ISO 20022. Who was the first ISO 20022 member focused on distributed ledger technology? Ripple. Who's partnered with over 300 financial institutions, including Bank of America, American Express, PNC, Santander, SBI, HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, Bank of England, India, Singapore, Scotland, Australia, and Indonesia, the largest banks in Japan, Canada, Egypt, the Middle East, United Arab Emirates, Thailand, Morocco, Bhutan, South Korea, Brazil, and Latin America? Ripple. Who is a former employee overseeing the Federal Reserve? Ripple. A former employee overseeing the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock's digital asset division? Ripple. Leading Australia's CBDC effort? Ripple. Who hired a former Treasury of the United States? Ripple. 2 former Federal Reserve attorneys to their board? Ripple. 2 former Clinton and Obama advisors? Former Minister of Defense and Economics of Germany? Former business director at Swift? Former Swift board member? Former CFO of PayPal? Former head of the DTCC? Former chief business officer at Uber? Former VP of Amazon and former SEC chair on their legal team? Ripple. Who's a member of the Digital Pound Foundation, Digital Dollar Project, Digital Euro Association, Mojaloop, IMF's high-level advisory board on fintech, Hyperledger Blockchain Consortium, Open Payments Coalition, Faster Payments Council, Global Payments Steering Group, Cross-Border Working Group, International Association for Trusted Blockchain Applications, Crypto Climate Accord, University Blockchain Initiative, World Wide Web Consortium, and a featured partner of the World Economic Forum with 3 members of their team directly listed on the WF website? Ripple. Now, does Ripple and XRP sound like they're going to disappear, or do they
Or they sound like their 2023's hottest rap album? If there is a start over of grand magnitude, XRP is the winner. Some would call it a great reset. XRP is the winner, and Bitcoin is the stable coin, the actual stable coin. Ski, I need SOS. My YouTube, he says, what's YouTube channel? I need a sub. My YouTube channel link is in my description, but is up here above my head. All my links. It's at your boy Ski. At your boy Ski on YouTube. Check that. I need SOS, Crew, and Boba. I got you. SOS, Crew, and BOB. Yo, bro, when TF will they announce the win? They're going to drag it out as long as humanly possible. Shelby says, I feel like I want to dance for some reason. Well, just dance. No one's stopping you. It's your world. I just live here, bro. All right. GRT, I got you. Bro, can you do Horizon and Chia too? Chia is a sleeper. Chia is a low market cap sleeper. I got GRT. When we hoping for altcoins pumping? They're pumping, bro. They're pumping. Up 69%, 59%, 54%, 53%. Alt season is here, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. What are your thoughts on Unicon? I don't have any thoughts, but I can look at the charts. What was... Let me scroll up. I forget his HODL 2025. What was your coin again? Did I miss? XTZ. I got you. XTZ. XTZ. And then we'll do all the out of Knights coins. XTZ. All right, automatic rally. $1.52. Retracement. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Retracement, $4.76. Max retracement, $6.44. And the parabolic level in 2025, $30.33. All right, out of the Knights coins. Let me get these off my... I keep doing this. I don't want to be on my trade. Or all right, let's see here. SOS, Crew, and Boba. Open DAO. Am I familiar with Calvin Hill? I think I've seen him. I don't know, too much about him.
Oh, we went to 0. Yo!
I'll be honest, I don't really watch that much other people. Because I don't want to be... For one thing, I don't really have time. But for another thing, like, I don't want to be swayed. But I think I've seen him. From what I've seen, he's had like good information. I don't have any beef with him. All right. Oh, automatic rally is... Yeah, this thing's making new lows. Not a good sign. 6 zeros, 1 retracement is 5045. Max retracement at 5064. Parabolic. I don't think that this thing's gonna go parabolic, but it is 40333. This is SOS. It does not look good to me though. Crew. I'm not seeing Crew. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's crud. It is crud. Okay. SYLO. I feel like it could hit 500 million market cap, plus it's on Coinbase. It would have to hit 22 cents to do so. Do you think it's worth stacking ETH now? Just dollar cost average, bro. Because relatively, like 10 years from now, when ETH is, it'd probably be 10 years from now. ETH will probably be 100,000. Like, it's not gonna matter if you got it at 2,000 or 1,500 or, you know, just stack. Stack them high, stack them deep. All right. Automatic Rally, $13 for crust. Retracement is $78. Max retracement is $110. And the parabolic level is $564. What about Litecoin? It's a slow mover. It's actually one of the first movers. And then it's slow. But that's all of the market. All of the market is boring forever. And then it's not. He says, I got Litecoin. And then Boba is the last one. Sup, Ski? Could you do Ultra and Stale? I got you. Render, scroll up, brother. He just posted it in the chat. Out of the Night just posted it in the chat. I don't... So Out of the Night is the moderator. He's the creator of Bitcoin. He's Satoshi Nakamoto. And he's attended almost every live stream, recorded all the TA so that I don't have to do it twice. So he has all of my price predictions. Sold my ETH for E-Gold. Nice. All right, retracement. We already hit the retracement on this thing. We already hit the 0.5 at 34 cents. The max retracement is 42 cents. And the parabolic is $1.56. Ultra. VXV. DGAL. I'll take a look, bro. We're going to do a few more. All right, retracement for Ultra, 25 cents. Max retracement for Ultra is 36 cents. And the parabolic level is $1.81. He says, I got VXV. Hold tight. All right, I'll check out the other one. What was it? DEGAI. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do this one, bro. Sorry, bro. Thank you for the likes. I guess YouTube added in a spot where you can spam the likes too, so let's go. Run it up, chat. What was Quant? 300. Parabolic is 1400. Really, like 1000 to 1400 is the parabolic level. GHX, I missed you. I got you, bro. Gamercoin. So I'm gonna pull this off this one. This isn't looking too hot. CWS, I got you. I'm doing GHX right now. All right, so making new lows at this stage in the market, not Gucci. Says, hey, Ski. With the coupon bureau I'm choosing to use Hedera, will that make HBAR go up in value? I mean, HBAR is in my top 5. I absolutely love HBAR. I love it. All things connected. All right, retracement for GHX. Is that what it is? Yeah, GHX. 9 cents. Max retracement is 13 cents. And the parabolic is 67 cents. Win moon, bro. CWS.
Oh, we went to 0. Yo!
I'm just playing. All right, we pretty much already hit the automatic rally. Retracement, I'd be looking to get out the retracement. $99.4. Max retracement is $11. This thing could go parabolic, but I wouldn't put too much energy in that. $65. Cosmos, I think he's already I think he already did Cosmos. That's all of them. I think that's everybody. All right, guys. We're going to call it here. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for trading stuff, so I made a video on that. I'm going to be doing a full course on my Patreon. So the link is in my description for that. I just posted the first video, class number 1. The video is on Fibonacci's, going over that. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. At your boy Ski on Instagram. At your boy Ski. Twitter at Gayeski. TikTok at your boy Ski. If you want access to my portfolio and my course that I'm creating right now, link is in my Patreon. If you want to get on my calendar, do a portfolio review, that's tier 2 of the Patreon. But I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out. Alluvium's in the chat, bro. Just scroll up.